Everybody, I'm Tiff Howie from Broom Boat Sales, bringing you another full tour video of one of our latest listings. And this here is a Swordfish 610 Pilot. It's a gorgeous boat for day cruising or fishing, very versatile. It's a 2022 build, so pretty new and in a stunning condition. She's fitted with a single Suzuki 115 horsepower and offers great accommodation space inside. So let's take a look. So we'll start on the outside of the Swordfish 610. And the first place to start is the bow. So you can notice here, really cleverly, they've used this bow area to create sunbathing space. So we've got this full sun pad cushion at the front. There's also really easy access to the bow from pontoons. So you can see here where the pulpit rails are. There's a gap in the centre, so you can step on and off the boat from there. Side rails all the way round, as you can see, and nice wide side deck access. You've also got handrails up there as well. Then we find the cockpit at the back. This is a really well laid out area. It's really social and comfortable. We've got bench seats to the port and starboard side, and then a smaller seat at the back. Underneath that smaller seat at the back, you'll also find your batteries and battery isolation switch. We've got your Suzuki 115 horsepower outboard engine there at the back. That is an electric trim, so you just press a button and the engine will raise out the water. We've got the stainless steel supports here for a canopy. So this whole outside area at the back is enclosable. There is a full canopy for this area, but you can also just have the bimini shade up and the sides open if it's a lovely sunny day, but you need a bit of shade. We've got a table there, and this has built-in cup holders, which really cleverly pop out just from here. And then you've got a large lazarette under there. Let's step inside the accommodation. This is really, really spacious. So this is always a really popular feature of the Swordfish because you can sleep really comfortably on board. So over here on the starboard side, we have sink with cold tap. You also have your helm position. And interestingly, deviating from the standard design, they had a co-pilot seat installed here. That will remove if you wish, but it's quite a nice spot if your co-pilot wants to sit a little bit higher up with you. This whole area here will actually infill further to create an even larger berth as well, and there are infill cushions for this. On the starboard side, on the helm position, we find a Raymarine chart plotter. You have your rev counter, trim gauge and fuel tank. You have your switches here for lights, wipers, fresh water pump, bilge pump. There we have the throttle. This has the up and down trim for the engine as well. There's a bit of storage built in just under there, and the domestic water tank is actually located under the helm seat. We have USB sockets there, and lovely large windows all the way around this area. So visibility is fantastic, and windows to both port and starboard will open to let in a bit of fresh air. There's also curtains for this full area as well. Now moving on to the berth, down here we find a sizable double berth in there. This is an infill, so this section in the centre will remove if you prefer a V berth. And then if we move this out of the way, and then just on the starboard side under the berth we find a Thetford toilet. Again, handy if you are planning on doing overnight stays, but a really, really comfortable place to spend the night if you so wish. It's our full tour on the Swordfish 610 completed today. As always, thank you so much for coming around this gorgeous boat with me. If you have any comments or questions, or if you'd like to arrange a viewing with us, get in touch and we'll come back to you. And please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for all of our latest tour videos. Thanks for watching.